Eggnog latte, of course. Okay, good morning. Everything that we've been getting from MacKenzie's event the past couple of days, we just dropped off with her at work. She's gone into work for the day. I have a big work day ahead of myself too, because I'm getting our Airbnb completely packed up to move into our new place tomorrow. And if you were here yesterday, you know this already, our move-in inspection got moved from tomorrow morning before the move-in time to today, this afternoon. So I'm gonna go home now, try to pack up as much as I can, get as much as I can ready, and then go to the inspection this afternoon, and then we'll go from there. So it's gonna be a big day, but I'm so excited. We're officially moving. Okay, so I made a to-do list for the day because I gotta stay on track and I got a lot to get through. I'm going to first get my video and editing work done that I need to get done for the day. Then I'm gonna pack up as much as I can here. I think I'm gonna start in the bedroom, get all the clothes, and then work my way out into the living room, kitchen area, get as much as I can packed up before I have to leave around like 1:30 to go to the inspection at our new place. I'll go do that. Then I'm gonna come back here to the Airbnb, do anything else I need to do here to get everything wrapped up and put into the car before I go back and pick up MacKenzie from work. I'll go back and get her from work whenever I'm done all that, because she is just has things to work on and will be there waiting for me. And then tomorrow morning, we have an early start. So we want everything to be ready to go. Let's do this. All right, the video is exporting. Okay, while that's exporting, I'm gonna first things first get a garbage bag, do a garbage sweep of this place. Let's clear the garbage. And there's a little bit of garbage in the car. I'm gonna pack into the car, so I'm gonna take that bag upstairs, pack a bunch of the garbage into there, and then we'll go from there. That'll be more clear to start. I'm looking around at this place and I just gotta stay with my to-do list and stay focused. Okay, cleared some of the garbage. That feels better. Okay, next I think I'm gonna tackle the bedroom. We have a lot of stuff in here, but I do have a little pile of stuff we're gonna keep out for the move for the next couple days. Everything else I'm gonna take out and get packed up. Let's go. Okay, I'm just going rogue on my plan here, but I'm actually gonna take out some of the bags that I've already finished, clear out some of the space. The car's ready to take on some bags. I think that's gonna make it feel a little bit more clear in here. Look at me going all rogue from my plan. It adds a whole nother layer of hard when the ground is icy and a watery river underneath these big bags that I'm carrying. Oh, this is gonna be a good workout. I can feel it. Okay, I'm really happy with where everything is at. I had to upload everything. I uploaded my Vlogmas video. I uploaded a different sponsored video that I'm uploading today. So go check that out on my Instagram and TikTok, by the way. It's for Superstore, and it's all about surviving this winter transition, which we've talked about here on Vlogmas. And where was I? I have now, like, realistically, like 40 minutes until I can leave to go to the viewing, to give myself a comfortable amount of time to drive to the viewing. So I think I'm just gonna keep packing into the car as much as I can for 40 minutes and try to get as much as I possibly can done. I'm gonna leave the bathroom for 1 second because that's kind of its own thing. And then we'll see where I am after that. I, feel like this has taken me less time than expected, but it's one of those things where at the end there's gonna be a million little things that come up. So I've left a couple bags out to catch all those things, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, update. I'm feeling so good right now. I thought I was gonna go to the viewing and then come back and have a lot more to do, but I'm like 90% done. And I still have, only like 15 minutes before I need to leave for the viewing, but where I'm at, my stuff is here that I'm gonna wear today and tomorrow. That's staying put. Look at this, everything else cleared. The bathroom cleared, except for the stuff we just need to brush our teeth and some face lotion. The living room area is maybe looking messy, but it's really just MacKenzie's bag for the next couple of days. This bedding is all our blankets, so we're gonna take this off, but after MacKenzie sleeps on it for one more night. So that's pretty much done. Everything else here is gone. There's garbage at the end, one bag that I'm still just packing into, because we're gonna find extra things. This is for the air fryer, which after dinner tonight will be packed up. This is all the medicine stuff. I left that all here. I need one bag for that because I wanted to keep all the medicine stuff together. And I left our cans and little fridge stuff Again, one bag because I didn't want to put that outside yet just in case it freezes. But honestly, things are looking amazing. And with that, I'm off to the apartment inspection. Okay, I am literally standing in our new apartment. I just did the walkthrough with our landlord. It was so lovely, had a great chat with her. You're gonna have to wait till tomorrow for the big reveal because then MacKenzie will be here too. And oh, I can't wait. I'm so excited. Okay, who else is on Elf on the Shelf TikTok? I did not know you could get themed Elf on the Shelf. Like, no. I want a pop star Elf on the Shelf. For me now. Wow. Just have to grab two bags from Superstore. They have really good flat bottom. Then I'm gonna go back to the Airbnb, grab the last of the stuff, which is what I needed the bags for. Then we're gonna go get MacKenzie. I've done everything I need to do. We're ready for moving. Yes. Oh my gosh. I did not expect this. Look who it is, chat. Hey. Well, we're pretty much ready to roll. Officially one sleep until we move into our new place. I started the first book in the series that has heated rivalry in it. The first one's called Game Changer. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to that. Good night.